So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEESQUAD? It is your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. Okay, here's the update real quick. Me and my friend are headed to Arlington, Texas to Summit Racing, pick up a mod for the Challenger. I'm not gonna say what it is. It doesn't require no drilling, no cutting, and it should be an easy install, so it shouldn't take long. Let me go ahead and show y'all the car real quick. Oh, Lordy. You should, yeah, y'all already know. I already said it in the other video I'm gonna upload. Thank God, damn. But yeah. There you go, just a quick little sneak peek. This is the first thing. Yeah, like just the first. It's the first little part to this video. But that's it. That's all I'm saying. We heading to Arlington. It's about I stay up in Waco, so it's only like an hour 30-minute drive. So shouldn't be too bad. Gonna do that. Get back. Try to install them by the time we get back. See how it sits on the car. And that's when I'll do the second part of the video. And the third part will be, I guess I'm gonna try to do a roll. But anyway, it's just a quick first part, letting y'all know we headed to Arlington, Texas. I'm not gonna drive. I've been working all night. Tell my friend gonna drive for me. I just wanted to get this mod today. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all the price now, but I'll go over the price and everything later if they look good and if they're installed on the car. If they don't look good and it's hard to install, I'm gonna just return it. But it was $360 plus $28 in tax, which is about $388. So that part of the part costs $388. It's 4 pieces. It's matte black, and that's it. Alright, I will catch y'all in the second part of this video. Thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all in the second part. Peace. What is up, JJLEESQUAD? Your boy Jordan is back. Okay, so it was about, I'll say about an hour and a half trip back here and there. So I'll say about 3 hours. Went to summer race with my boy Rogelio. Shout out to him. Y'all give him a follow on Instagram, Rogelio. Man, bro, y'all gotta see what I got. Okay, it's gonna change the look of the Challenger. It's gonna make it look good. It's something new. It's an ideal, and I'm happy that I finally got them. It was a nice trip, man. Summer racing, shout out to Summer Racing too. They were nice. Man, they brought out some car for me, man. Summer racing is amazing, bro. They had cool old school Chevy Ford trucks spinning around on the inside, man. On the outside, they had freaking Hellcats parked anyway, sideways. They had Audis parked sideways, man. It was amazing. I should have filmed. Phone was dead. Sadly, I did not charge it. But this is the second part to the video. Like I already made the first part. This is what I got. Are y'all ready? Alrighty. Boom. Do y'all know what that is? Yes. 4 AVS vent shade fender, wide body fender flares for the Challenger. For the Orange Demon RT. What do y'all think, man? 2 front, 2 back, no drilling, no cutting whatsoever. This is what the package came with. Let me get this out. And now how easy it is to install. Me and my boy Rogelio are going to install it sooner or later. But it's going to rain for the next 2 days. So that's going to put that on hold. But this is a shout out to AVS also. It's AVS Fender flares. It came with, other instructions, but that's Spanish. But this is all, this is what they saying all we need right here. It hooks under the wheel well of your car. And that's it. We'll be doing a video on that. Don't even have to paint it. It's matte black. It's perfect. Leaving the black with the orange and the black. This is all it comes with. Rubber seal. See? Clips. Double-sided tape. Plastic clips. Double-sided tape. The U-joints to snap onto the fender flares and the wheel weld. And that's pretty much it. Just got to take off the wheel. hook up the fender flares, take out the old plastic clips. Bam. Quick and easy installation. Shout out to AVS. I really like, it was just cool. I might put a picture of the Challenger that I saw that made me want to jump and buy this kit. It looked amazing. He had the AVS fender flares, looked sick, man. The wheel all set was perfect. I was like, man, I checked it. It fit for my car. I jumped at it real quick. Ordered it today. When that's why I want to take the drive. I wanted it today. I ordered it today. I want to get it today. Could have got it shipped because I knew it was probably going to rain. But nope. I wanted it today. So I got it. That's the next plan for the Challenger. Adding a wide body look to an 09 Challenger. Bro, I live in Waco, Texas, man. I have not seen no videos, no other 09 Challengers with a wide body fender flare kit on it. And this is what it's looking like. See, it goes from under there, it goes under there. And this is gonna look pretty sick, man. But I'm gonna put a picture of that other Challenger in the video so y'all can see what I found or what I looked at. But quick look, the material is like lightweight plastic, so it won't scar good. It's not heavy, it won't weigh the car down, nothing. Like I said again, no cutting, no drilling, nothing. Just screwing and cutting this out to fit in the cursor of the wheel well, the rubber seal. That's it. That is it. JJLEE Squad. I hope y'all ready for this installation because I am too. I could not find no video AVS of the AVS installation, which sucked. But they said it's easy. We're going to have to see. Me and my boy Rogelio going to hook it up probably by Saturday, Sunday. So this is going to be a 3-part video. First part, telling you taking the trip. Second part, showing y'all. Third part, installation. It's going to be a nice long video to introduce the awesome bench shade fender flares that I got. It's going to add a nice wide body look and stands. I don't know if my wheel is going to have a positive offset. If they do, I'll get some not too big spacers just to make them poke out a little bit so it can fix that positive offset. So that's it, JJLEE Squad. This is the second part to the video. I hope y'all enjoy. Hope y'all like the reveal of the new mod for the Challenger. Stay ready, stay woke. Follow me on Instagram. And y'all be getting updates like that also whenever we are going to install it. Stay ready. And I will catch y'all later, JJLEE Squad. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video, and I will catch y'all later. Peace. JJLEE Squad, what's up? It's your boy Jordan, and right now, me and my friend are putting in the wide body vent shade AVS fender flares. Right now, I'm gonna show you we got 2 wheels left. We got 2 wheels left so far, but it is looking good. And I'm gonna need some spacing for sure. But that's how it's looking so far. Sideways. It said no drilling. Well, of course, we had to drill, not into the car, but into the fender. Shake it. It ain't going nowhere. This how it's looking right now. Some of the lines don't line up right, but you know, drilled here, drilled here, fit that in there, so it's on there good. Isn't going nowhere. Look how wide it's getting though. So I'm probably gonna get some 5/16 spacers either today or later. So Jesus, it looks sick. Sideways view. Look at that. Perfect. But let's little dive into it. This is like the third part. This is the surprise. Putting these fenders on there, man. And then once we done here, I'm gonna do a good video while around. I see if I'm gonna buy these dang spaces yet. We'll be back. Third part. Hope y'all like it like I do, cause I'm loving it so far. It's dirty, but all right. I'll be back later. Bro.